In this video, I'm going to show you like how you can get free icons for Elementor. You know, if you're using Elementor, they have some limited icon, and if you are going to finding out something specific, then we are not getting it. So in this video, I'm going to show you like how you can get almost 10k plus icon. So you have to log in your admin panel and you have to go to here plugins and click on add new. Then you have to type custom icon for Elementor page builder. Then you will get this plugin and you have to install this plugin and you have to activate this plugin. And if you're going to see here about this plugin, then 15 icon font pack is available on this and almost 14k, like 10k plus icons in there. Alright, so when you activate this plugin, you will get another option like skyboard icon. Just click on here. Then you will see lots of icon is there. Just click on manage icon button. Then you will see elegant icon. Then lots of icon is there. So how much and which one you want, you have to just turn on. Okay, so I want everything. That's why I'm just going to turn on everything, and then I will save it, and I will successfully save it. And let's go back my Elementor page builder page, like the edit page, where I just want to add custom, a new icon. And now let me go to here in this box and just click on here icon library. Then I will see some other option in here almost that I enable everything we can see in here. So if you click on here all icon, then if you search something, I want something like a man, so I type man, then I see lots of man is there and lots of lots of icon, extra icon. I get it in here. I think this kind of really looks good, so let's implement it in here. And now it's really good. And then it's called premium support. So let's go to again the icon library and let's premium support. So let's support. So when I type support, then I think this icon is really looks good, but I think this one is also looks good, but this one, let's see which one looks good. But if you see here, it's really look like similar, so I don't want to add similar, so I want to add something different. So again click on here the icon and again support, and I just want this one, so I just select it and insert it, and now it really looks good. And now update it. That's it, and it's work now. I hope guys now you understand, and if you really like this video, please click on this like button, and if you're new on my channel, so try to do subscribe, because I try to upload like helpful types of video that reduce your time.